Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. So this is not for sale, guys. This is just only an information. Especially who want to invest in Ubay. Kung gusto tayong mag-invest sa Ubay, Bohol, no? So, ang maganda dito, guys, tumayo na or ready to open na ang Pure Gold Mall. So, magandang balita ito sa mga taga Bohol, especially taga Bohol, no? At northern part of Bohol. Sabi-sabi nila yung pure gold ay mura daw. Mura itong magbenta. So maraming mura na binibenta. So hindi tayo binayaran ng pure gold, ha. Iano lang, nag-ano lang ako kasi may binibenta tayong mga lupa. We're selling properties in Bohol, especially in Ubay, na mura pa. So very affordable. So ito na po, if you want to invest in Ubay, Bohol, so better to invest now kasi hindi pa crowded ang Ubay. Then according to the balita, no, to the news, especially in radio station, no, I heard that Ubay is already pasado na siya sa pagiging city. So nakuha na niya yung yung pagiging income na magiging city na siya. So soon it will become an Ubay city, and congratulations to the officials, to the public officials in Ubay, Bohol, no. Kina-congratulate natin kasi especially the governor also, no, kasi hindi yan, the governor in Ubay is from Ubay. So maganda diyan, no. Nandiyan lang munisipyo yung naka red pen. At saka sa likuran, nandyan lang ang police station. So, ito po yung fire station. Malapit lang dyan, guys. So, very nice to own a property in Ubay. It has hotels, banks. Marami ang nandyan sa Ubay. So, Ubay is connecting, no, near to the Leyte province, no. May mga direct ferry going to Leyte. So as you can see, guys, very progressive na ang Ubay. Ito po yung building, yung sa harapan nandyan ang FCB, First Consolidated Bank, at sa itong convenient or market din yan. It's a convenience store or like a store, big store, department store. So may stoplight na po yung Ubay. So malaki na talagang kaibahan sa Ubay. Sobrang laki ng kaibahan. So kung gusto natin magpunta or mag-invest sa Ubay, mas maganda ang Ubay. So I heard also that the airport in Ubay, the governor is working, no, or the public officials in Bohol is working. So really a good idea, or kung may pira ka dyan, i-invest mo na. Huwag mo nang patagalin kasi sa Ubay talaga ay improving na talaga at medyo may mga mura pang mga properties na binibenta natin. So dito ka na. So as you can see, may mga malalaking may super wala yan noon, nandito na ngayon, eh. So iba talaga ang Ubay ngayon, of course, due to the coordination with the public officials, mayors, councilors, marami pa dyan. So of course the private citizen also, they are involved, no. So ito na po yung McDonald's, naka-operate na yung McDonald's. So dito sa in front noon, may tinatawag tayong may mag-barbecue dyan, pero nililipat na sila, guys, doon na sa tabi ng dagat. So for now, ang pwesto nila nandito na kinuha na sana sa McDonald's. So maganda na talaga ang Ubay. And Ubay has also beach resorts, beaches. So maganda. So medyo may mga mura pa sa Ubay, mga affordable prices in Ubay. So just contact me, guys. May mga pa. Kung ako, Because this is northern part of Bohol, medyo around 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City. So ito po yung public market in front ng McDonald's. So yun po ang nangyayari diyan. So nasa in front o nasa front lang ng McDonald's yung public market. At ito po yung Ubay Bagsakan Center. Dito po yung binibenta yung mga assorted fruits, vegetables, dito sila. Mga mura din diyan. Maraming mura din diyan. So dito na tayo bibili pag mga may bibili tayo mga prutas o vegetables. So malaking kaibahan talaga sa Ubay ngayon, guys. May terminal pa yan, hindi natin nakuha na ng video, pero may terminal doon. Ubay has 45 barangays, guys. 45 barangays. It's an agricultural city combined with coastal, like this one, no? This is the coastal place, no? Then there's a seaport going to Leyte Island. So Leyte province. Then the Leyte is connecting to Samar, connecting to Manila na, guys. Kasi may bus dyan papuntang Manila. So yun po. Diyan along the shoreline or along the bay. So may mga barbecue na paggabi. So maganda, masarap, or ano ba yan, anong hangin dyan. So Ubay is really a good place for investment, guys. So hospital, may marami diyan. Hospital din, guys, may marami. So diyan kadalasan yung mga ibang town magpunta sa Ubay kasi malaki yung hospital and they can accommodate any kinds of illness in Ubay. So maraming na talaga sa Ubay, improvement. So kung gustuhin talaga natin mag-invest, mas maganda sa Ubay. So invest now while still the prices are low, very low. So this one also, guys, according to the news, no, mag-start na ang ICM Mall. So ICM Mall, approve na yan, aprobado na yan, guys. So meaning wala na talaga, guys, booming na ang Ubay. So very nice to own a property in Ubay. So here, no, nakita natin may mga gravel na mag-start na according to the news we heard, no. Tatayo na dyan ang malaking mall din. So saan pa tayo? Dito na tayo sa Ubay, Bohol. So okay. So again, we thank to the public officials, to the mayors, councilors, and the governors, all public officials in Bohol, no? Kasi nag-improve na ang Bohol. So sa pamumuno talaga ng mga, especially in Ubay and the governor, marami ng investor pumapasok. Thank you.